Today, we're taking you through a beautiful, fully renovated home in one of Honolulu's most sought-after neighborhoods, Moanalua Valley. This isn't just a home tour. I'm also going to show you how you can transform this property into a high-performing investment by converting it into 3 or more separate rental units, maximizing your cash flow with midterm rentals. Now, before we get into the home itself, let's talk about why Moanalua is such a prime location. Because location is everything when it comes to real estate investing. Moanalua is a hidden gem in Honolulu. It's a peaceful, family-friendly neighborhood known for its quiet streets, lush greenery, and convenient location. You're just 10 minutes from downtown Honolulu, 5 minutes from Kaiser and Tripler Army Medical Centers, and close to Pearl Harbor, the airport, and major highways, making it a perfect spot for professionals, military families, and healthcare workers. Another huge selling point is Moanalua High School, one of the top-rated public high schools in Hawaii. It's consistently ranked among the best in the state for its academic excellence, STEM programs, and award-winning marching band. In fact, Moanalua High has been recognized as a blue ribbon school by the U.S. Department of Education and regularly outperforms many private schools in college readiness rankings. When you combine great schools, a central location, and a strong sense of community, Moanalua becomes an incredible place to buy real estate, whether for living or investing. This home already has 3 separate rental units, making it a fantastic opportunity for an investor looking to maximize cash flow and ROI. But it doesn't stop there. With a few strategic upgrades, you can convert additional space into even more rental units, boosting your rental income significantly. In this video, I'll walk you through the home, show you where you can add walls and appliances to optimize each unit, and discuss potential structural considerations. Plus, we'll go over rental projections based on market data to see just how much income you could generate from this property. Alright, now that you know why this neighborhood is so desirable, let's check out this amazing home. Alright, now let's talk numbers. With 3 rental units, this property is poised to generate strong cash flow, but with some minor modifications, we can further optimize rental income. Here's how we can maximize this property's potential. Add a wall by the stairwell lip to fully separate the upper unit. Install stackable laundry units for both the upper and lower units. Convert the unfinished framed lower level below the studio into an additional rental unit. Assess and address foundation work to deal with the waviness noted in the middle level and garage. Install split AC to improve comfort, although the cross breeze is pretty good with trade winds. Using Rent-A-Meter's market data, we can fine-tune our expected rental income for 1413 Ala Iolani Street by converting the home into 3 separate rental units. A studio unit in this area typically rents for a median price of $1,825 per month, meaning we can expect to generate around $1,800 to $1,900 for the space. The 2-bedroom unit unit has a median rent of $2,300 per month with a projected range of $2,200 to $2,500 based on the current market. Meanwhile, a 3-bedroom unit in a neighborhood commands median rent of $3,300 per month, meaning we can conservatively estimate rental income between $3,200 and $3,500. By implementing this multi-unit rental strategy, the total estimated monthly rental income would range from $7,200 to $7,900 per month, a $2,000 to $2,500 increase over the expected $5,000 to $6,000 per month if rented as a single family home. These numbers are assuming long-term rental rates. If you're looking to really maximize ROI, you could rent them as mid-term rentals. By targeting mid-term renters like traveling professionals, military families, and healthcare workers, you can potentially get up to 50% or more in revenue. Also, this doesn't include the potential 4th unit that could be added to the lower level. So there you have it, a beautiful home with incredible potential. Whether you're looking for a dream home or a cash flowing investment property, if you're interested in seeing this home in person, let's set up a private showing. And if you want more breakdowns like this, real estate tips, Hawaii market insights, and investment strategies, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.